Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adabeke as always. If you're seeing this pretty face for the very first time and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel down below. Click on your notification bell so that you will be the first person to know when I drop a new video. I just want to use this opportunity to say thank you to the 20 of you that have been consistently watching my videos throughout this Vlogtober season. I appreciate it so much, and I'm happy to be sharing another content with you guys today. Please, I'm still inviting you all to join me on this Vlogtober journey, because I'm using it to experiment on this channel to see what's going to work for this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing, can I see it? Let me read it out. Cleanse and energize your body. Kinoki cleanse and energize foot patch only by 1 night. Black and oily toxins come out from the volar. Contains 10 pads. So some of you will be wondering, what is this Kinoki foot patch? I'm going to be reading out what it does to the body. So number 1, it dispels toxins and maintain beauty. So if you want to maintain your beauty, get this foot patch. If you want to dispel toxins from your body, get this foot patch. It relaxes the muscles and tendons and eliminates internal moisture. My God. If you're stressed and you want to relax your muscle, you need this. Then it replenishes vital essence and strengthening the kidney. I don't know about this one and kidney, but that's what they say it does. Shape and beautify the body, promote sleeping and relieve fatigue. Let me tell you guys, if you're having issues with sleeping, and please get this foot patch, and beautify your foot and clear odor. So if you have odor coming out from your feet as a result of wearing constant shoe, you need to get this foot patch. Then what else did they write? And it works while you sleep. So I'm just going to be sharing my review and how I feel about it. I obviously can't say where I got this thing. It's actually a gift, and I'm seeing it online right now. They're selling it on Jumia, and I think some stores they sell it. So I don't know where you can actually get it, but you can look online for this to buy it, okay?
1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later, 2 hours later, 8:01 p.m. Later, 20 minutes later, 6 hours later, later that same evening.
So guys, I'm about going to bed. This is like 10:45 p.m. I'm going to bed a little bit late today, and I am going to put on this Kinoki foot pads, and I'm going to leave it on throughout the night till tomorrow morning. By tomorrow morning, we'll see all the impurities, all the toxins, every yama, everything that is going to come out from my feet. So guys, let's put it on. So guys, this is my feet. Let me put on the pads. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen a hot chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, there's a girl I wanna meet her. Wanna get by that please, oh. I gotta give a game proper. Spit it so she get it, cause she is a backstabber. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. You got to go, I gotta go for mine. Oh,
got a smile. Oh, what about a style? I'm out of time. You got the dough, I gotta go for mine. I think I'll be out. Don't make it take. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to see out. You gotta leave, 'cause you and your mess. I say the last dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, oh baby.
So guys, I'm done putting on the foot patch on my both feet. I will see you all in the morning when I wake up, so we peel it out and see what it looks like. Okay, bye, good night, and see you in the morning.
2 minutes later. A few inches later. 12 seconds later.
Guys, this is like 30 minutes later. I'm tired of waiting to see what is going to come out. But I feel like, I don't know how to explain it, like something is dragging, coming out from my feet, like the adhesive is dragging it out, like they are struggling. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if you guys do understand what I'm saying. I feel like something is coming out, so my feet is like dragging.
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning. I hope you all slept well. I'm awake. This is like 6:15 ish, so I'm just going to drink water. I've had this thing on for like 7 hours plus, yeah, so I'm just going to take it off and let's see all these impurities, all the toxins. My PA, are you awake? My second PA is awake. Are you awake? Say, mommy, good morning. How was your night? Fine, right? Good girl. So guys, this is my leg over the night, so I'm just going to peel this off. Oosh, I don't know if you guys can already see. Damn. Oh, this is kind of painful though. Look out. This is now wow. It's still a bit gummy. I don't know if you give me some mark there. I'm really stressed too. So this is what came out from your girl's feet. Toxins from my body. Is it worth it? So guys, after using it today, I can able to tell you guys I slept well. I didn't even know when I slept off. So I will highly recommend this if you're having issues with sleeping. I'll still keep on using it. I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video up to this point. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Bye.